Hey everybody, I am Carl Ducena with Tina Chandler,
Hey everybody.
my amazing wife, and we are at the Waterford Harbor Marina and we're going sailing today. We're gonna have a great time. The weather's beautiful. Jim just pulled up. We have some amazing friends coming and we're gonna show you just this experience so that we're gonna show you this whole trip so you can experience it with us. Hi ladies.
Hey Carl.
You ready to go sailing?
Ready?
Hey guys, we are out in, where are we?
Clear Lake.
Clear Lake. We are sailing in Clear Lake. You guys can get in the video. Lori, Tamara, say hi. Wow. It's beautiful out here today.
All of a sudden it ended.
Hello everybody, welcome to paradise.
Oh, so bad. This thing, it wasn't so.
Having a wonderful day. On the Room Entertainment, where dreams and champions are made. All right, listen everyone, the world needs more love. Let's put out more joy, more love, more inspiration to the world. It's a big, beautiful world out there. Let's make the most of every single day that we've been given.